You have all these apps for streaming music, with stations you have perfected over time, all the playlists that you have meticulously curated over the years, but they're all on your phone. Your customer wants them playing through those new speakers you just installed. ShairBridge plays your personal music library through AirPlay anywhere in the house. After completing this smart skill, you will be able to explain the requirements and limitations for the ShairBridge driver. ShairBridge is Control4 software-based implementation of AirPlay, allowing AirPlay-enabled devices to stream audio directly to a Control4 system. Any app on any iOS device or through iTunes can be streamed over AirPlay directly to a Control4 controller. ShairBridge enables audio distribution of your customer's personal media library and any streaming service, including those not implemented natively through the controllers, such as Spotify, SoundCloud, or Apple Music. The customer selects the media on their iOS device. Once that media is playing, they press the AirPlay button, which will show a list of all AirPlay devices, Apple TVs, the wireless music bridge, and all of the ShairBridge drivers. Your customer can then select the correct AirPlay driver based on the room that they're in, or group of rooms that they want it to play to. When your customer selects a ShairBridge driver, their iOS device will then start streaming to the controller, and the Control4 system will automatically select the path, turning on any receivers, amplifiers, or a TV. Cover art and metadata would also automatically populate on the customer's navigators. Media selection and control can still be done through the customer's iOS device. Each AirPlay stream requires a unique ShairBridge driver. If your customer wants to be able to stream AirPlay from 2 different iPhones simultaneously, you need 2 ShairBridge drivers, 1 driver per stream. Each AirPlay stream also requires a physical output from a controller connected to a receiver or an amplifier. You can only play as many streams as you have outputs on a controller. 1 stream per physically connected output on a controller. The EA5 has 5 available ports, the EA3 has 3, and the EA1 only has an HDMI out. If more streams are requested than there are available outputs, the oldest stream will be stopped and that output would be used for the newly requested AirPlay connection. First one in, first one out. For the older controllers, the HC800 has 4 available audio outputs, while the HC250 only has 2. A few important notes about using ShairBridge. The HC250 can stream ShairBridge, but it requires that an HC800 or an EA series controller is running Director. The 250 on its own does not have the horsepower to do both. Don't try to add more than 20 ShairBridge drivers to a project, and don't try and stream to more than 8 of them simultaneously. With ShairBridge, you can listen to any of your music anywhere you want.